window finished, and the table is moving. So it moves to the collecting area for collecting. Normally the projector will shift to this side, and here is another window, the last window. And now we see the last window. Right now it is 980. So we input 980 here. So right now it is cutting the last window. And we can collect it during the cutting. Okay. So this number we can input at any time, before the cutting, in the middle of the cutting, or after cutting. And the projector will shift after we input the value. So the final window finished, and it will move. Okay. In this case, yeah. In this case, the okay. So yes, after input, and click the move, and the projector will move to the collecting area. Okay. Yeah. Now it moves. Okay.